What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. And we've got a little bit of tape there. We've got a little bit of tape here. So this is not a knife, as I'm sure I will make apparent in the thumbnail. I can't turn this all the way around because I've got my shipping information on it. I was too lazy to, or I couldn't be bothered to, mark that out with a marker. But anyways, I'm sure that the thumbnail will make this apparent. But this is not a knife that's in here. I'm just gonna wrench this thing open here real quick. There's a little bit more tape here that we could cut. Make sure and get that on camera so you guys can see the lady of the seat going at it, doing work. All right, what do we have here? Please be what I wanted. Yes. Fans of the KME sharpening system, I think, will be going, yeah, you got it. Of course, that's a must-have. So if you don't know what this is a 50 grit diamond stone for the KME sharpening system. And from what I've read online, this thing is supposed to make short work, heavy quotes on shorts, because I don't think anything, when you get to sharpening really, really high-end steels, I don't think anything is short or doesn't take a lot of time. This is supposed to make short work of those really gnarly steels like M390 and M4 in terms of reprofiling. If I put a big old chip in an M390 blade and you need to grind that edge back, this is the thing that you would want to use to do that. So as I continue to learn how to sharpen my knives, I think that the Beast there is going to come in very handy, and rest assured I will do a video featuring the Beast, absolutely. I don't know if I've got the mini sheepdog in a video yet. Depends on when I decide to upload this unboxing, but I just thought I'd throw it in there for fun. Anyways, guys, that is pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check that stuff out, and if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.